The Bowers Wilkins Px8 S2 headphones deliver remarkably refined sound, with excellent detail, dynamics, and a wide immersive soundstage that feels closer to high-end wired models than most wireless competitors. Their adaptive noise cancellation is impressively effective at cutting down constant rumble and office chatter, while still avoiding the heavy pressure feeling that some rival designs can cause. Comfort is a real strength thanks to the soft memory foam pads, smooth Nappa leather, and well-judged clamping force that make long listening sessions or flights surprisingly fatigue-free. Wireless performance is rock solid, with aptX lossless and adaptive support providing stable, low-latency connections that work especially well for high-resolution streaming, video, and gaming. Battery life is generous enough for long trips, and the quick charge feature is genuinely useful when a short top-up before heading out still yields many hours of listening. Build quality and design feel thoroughly premium, with metal accents, precise hinges, and tasteful styling that make these headphones look and feel like a true flagship product.